If you have ever found yourself going to bed tired, but lying awake and unable to sleep, even though you are exhausted, you are definitely not alone. Many women in menopause, me included, have sleep disturbances and poor sleep. I personally have a very long story of sleep disturbances, and that's why probably when perimenopause came in, sleep being my weak point, it was the first that was hit by perimenopause. So I was having sleep disturbances combined with night sweats. Many women have this combination of factors like night sweats, hot flashes, and poor sleep. Sleep disturbances have many causes. If your sleep disturbances start ruining your quality of life, you definitely should ask for medical advice and medical help. But now I can give you one simple technique. It will only take you a couple of minutes that can help you to regulate your nervous system, activate parasympathetic nervous system. That is a necessary term if you want actually fall asleep. First, let me show you how we can do it. My name is Anna. I'm a menopausal coach and a yoga teacher since 2010. Follow my channel if you want to know more on how to stay fit and strong after 40. Put a like and leave a comment. To understand better this technique, you may need a yoga block or a simple sock filled with rice that can weigh something like 300 or 400 grams, and it will help you to feel even better this technique physically. So we're preparing. I have my sock filled with rice and I have my yoga block. We will use it later. Now the idea of the breathing is quite simple. The belly should be relaxed. When we inhale, the belly goes up, it inflates. I suggest you trying this sock method because it's really nice. It could be something like 300-400 grams, and this will give you some sense of resistance and it will help you actually feel better the movement. When our diaphragm during inhalation goes down, naturally our belly inflates. It goes up, and this resistance with the small weight that we have on it will help us to actually feel better. As now we're just trying to understand the movement, it's like a workout, then you will not need it once you use it every day to fall asleep. So when the diaphragm during exhalation returns to its dome shape, our belly deflates and you will feel your weight going down. So this movement of the belly is actually driven by the movement of the diaphragm. And the important thing is that you actually don't use your muscle force, your abdomen, to lift your sock. It happens naturally, while this weight gives your diaphragm a bit of resistance and help you to actually train the muscle of the diaphragm. So try to do 3, 4, 5 breaths with this small weight on your belly. We inhale and we feel our belly inflates gently. And then we exhale and the belly goes down. So we're trying to keep our face muscle relaxed, feel our little weight on the belly that actually gives us the sensation and help us to concentrate exactly on what's going on, because that is the movement. If it happens, meaning you are actually using your diaphragm to breathe, and this is called diaphragmatic breathing. As I have already mentioned, I will do another video where I will explain more all the details and the physiology behind this kind of breathing, and you can actually understand better what's happened in your body when your diaphragm moves freely. But now it's just enough that you know that this breathing is actually help your nervous system to calm down, and it will help you to fall asleep faster. And now take your block, put it on your belly. My block is very light and it is bigger, so actually I can see how it moves, and it will help me in a different way, but still we are doing the same. We are breathing in, watching our relaxed belly inflating, and then I'm exhaling and I can see my block go down. Once you know the technique, that's how you can use it. Every night before going to sleep, make 3 sets of 10 breaths each of this breathing. Make some natural breathing between your sets, and it will take you roughly 3 minutes. And I can almost guarantee you that there will be nights when you will not be able to arrive to do your 3rd set because you will fall asleep before. What is happening during this breathing? Our nervous system is passing from active mode to passive mode. From passive mode, we can fall asleep. Being in a passive mode, we can fall asleep. It works because of many physiological reasons that I will explain you in more detail in another video. But before we finish, I want to give you one powerful advice. It's a habit that can be incredibly helpful if you struggle to fall asleep. Before going to sleep, take your notebook, or just have a notebook and a pen on your bed table always. So before going to sleep, write down from 3 to 5 important things that you want to remember or you need to do tomorrow. Then close your notebook and pass on to your breathing exercise. The simple habit can help your brain to relax, to actually let go the control, let go the fear of forgetting important things to do tomorrow. It can help your mind and it can help your brain to calm down. 2 things combined can become a real game changer.